have this experience when you cannot finish this wine, what will you do? And you cannot put the cork back, so you throw this wine away. We have a new product. We call it is wine condom. This wine condom can help us to solve this problem. This is one full pouch. Inside is the wine condom. I take one. This is a wine condom. It is very easy to put on the top of the bottle, and can keep this wine fresh more than 1 month. You see, it is very easy to put it on bag. And this one is made by latex. Latex is from natural tree. It is safety, very safety for our food. This one we accept OEM order, and we can produce different color. So if you need this products, you can contact with us.